In Neville's lecture, Fulfillment of God's Plan, Neville tells a story of what one of his friends said to him before a lecture Neville gave. His friend gave Neville the definition of an Irishman. An Irishman is one who does not know what he wants, and there will be no peace on earth until he finds it. Not exactly his words, he told it much better. He told it much better than that, but that's the essence of it. He does not know what he wants, and there will be no peace on earth until he finds it. Well, that's the whole vast world. Ask, what do you want? He doesn't really know what he wants, because what everyone wants is to find the Father, and you can't find the Father without the Son. Basically, we're trying to find the cause of the phenomenon of life. What makes things happen in my world? So what could this all symbolize? That the Father is you, that the Son is humanity, and that you created humanity with your imagination? Just like when you go to bed at night, and you dream of a whole world that's just as real as what you call reality. Humanity was your creation. You are the father of the humanity you dreamed of. And what if what you feel is reality right now is also just a dream? Neville goes on to talk about how when we're confronted by our harvest, we don't recognize it. But he says there are no accidents in the world. There's no such thing as a natural cause. Every natural effect has a spiritual cause, that is, an imaginal cause, and not a natural. It only seems that way, but it's a delusion of our fading memory. We just can't remember when we set it in motion. And Neville tells also of this man, how years ago he had so many different daydreams, of talking to a crowd, maybe going on radio or TV. And then in what we call reality, someone out of the blue offered him a series of lectures, possibly sending him to all the places he had imagined. So what are you daydreaming? And if it isn't counteracted with the opposite, you will experience it. But will you remember when you had the daydreams, or when you immersed yourself in something outside of yourself and reacted, thus planting a seed, maybe gossip or something on the TV? So Neville teaches you to dream noble dreams, wonderful dreams. They may not come to pass tonight, tomorrow, or even next week, but keep dreaming them. Let yourself become possessed by the dream. You know what it's like to be possessed. All day on and off, we're having little inner conversations. We fall into different daydreams. Sometimes someone has to call our name or tap our back. Learn from what you already do naturally to do it intentionally. And this is how we come to fully awake, to see what is the creator of all. Neville teaches that you are God asleep. Behind your name, behind your body, your awareness. And the day is coming, and may it not be too long, when he will awaken you as you. And then you will find your son, that Scripture claims to be God's son. And because Scripture claims it is God's son, and you know it's your son, then you must be God. That's the story of the Bible. Now pause this for as long as you need, and let us go into the silence.
Ice cream is so frozen.
Please check out one of the first sponsors of this channel, Tokyo Treats and its sister company Sakurako, a monthly Japanese snack subscription service that I personally enjoy myself. You can use the code NEVILLUTION for $5 off your first order. The links will be in the description section beneath this video. Thank you.